In this Like to Know It Creator tutorial, I'm going to walk you through step by step on how to create your Like to Know It shop so you can start promoting products you love with your audience. In case you're new here, I'm Sarah. I help creators, brands, and entrepreneurs create their digital influence by sharing different creation tips, tech tools, and gadgets to help you create your influence and workflows with ease. Having said that, let's get into this video. As I explain this full in-depth Like to Know It tutorial, I'm going to be giving you a behind-the-scenes walkthrough of my own Like to Know It shop. And while I haven't dived too deeply into the platform just yet, I will leave the link to my shop in the description and comments below in case you want to follow along or gain some inspiration. Like to Know It, or LTK, is a shopping platform that allows influencers and creators to monetize their social media presence by creating shoppable links for their followers to purchase products featured in their posts. Like to Know It was launched in 2014 by RewardStyle, a company that helps influencers and content creators monetize their digital content through affiliate marketing. Like to Know It has become popular among fashion, beauty, and lifestyle influencers and creators who use the platform to promote products they love and earn a commission on any sales made through their Like to Know It shop. When an influencer or creator posts a photo featuring a product they are promoting, the post includes a Like to Know It link that takes the user directly to the product's page on the retailer's website. From there, users can make a purchase directly from the retailer and the influencer earns a commission on the sale. Like to Know It has partnerships with over 5,000 retailers, from high-end luxury brands to more affordable options, making it accessible to a broad range of consumers. The platform has become a popular way for consumers to discover new products and make purchases directly from their favorite influencers. Becoming a Like to Know It influencer/creator typically involves building a strong social media presence and following on platforms like Instagram or TikTok. Therefore, when you're first starting out, you should first focus on building a strong social media presence on platforms like Instagram or TikTok by creating engaging content that resonates with your audience. Once you have an audience, you can use Like to Know It to monetize your social media presence by creating shoppable links for products featured in your post. You need to also remember that consistency is key, and you'll want to consistently create and publish high quality content that is relevant to your audience. In order to become an LTK influencer or creator, you'll want to follow these steps. Visit the Like to Know It Creator sign-up page on their website and fill out the application form. You will need to provide basic information about yourself, such as your name, email address, and social media handles. After submitting your application, the Like to Know It team will review it and notify you if you have been accepted. If your application is successful, you will receive an invitation to join the Like to Know It Creator program. Once you become a Like to Know It creator, you will need to set up your profile, link your social media accounts, and start creating shoppable content for your followers. You will earn a commission on any sales made through your Like to Know It links. Keep in mind that not all applications are accepted, and it can take several weeks or even months to hear back from the Like to Know It team. To increase your chances of being accepted, I highly recommend just focusing on building a strong social media presence and creating high quality content that resonates with your target audience, as I mentioned before. Like to Know It/LTK and Like to Know It Creator are related but different products offered by the same company, RewardStyle. Like to Know It is the shopping platform that allows users to discover and shop for products recommended by influencers and creators. When an influencer posts a photo featuring a product they are promoting, the post includes a Like to Know It link that takes the user directly to the product page on the retailer's website, and that's how the user gets the product, while in return the influencer or creator gains their commission. Like to Know It Creator is the app that is associated with the backend, where you find your product links as well as upload your photos and videos. And Like to Know It Creator is where you're creating the posts to shop. I'm going to briefly walk you through the interface of the Like to Know It Creator app once you've signed up and gotten approved. The home icon is your overview dashboard. It shows your earnings, your analytics, and top products sold. The link icon is where you'll find all your products and find their links and even categorize them into folders. So more on that one later. The shop icon basically gives you a behind the scenes view of your shop, showing all the posts you currently have on your Like to Know It store. At the top, this area shows you your followers, meaning the number of Like to Know It shopping app users following your shop on the Like to Know It app. And next to that is your commission, meaning the lifetime amount of Like to Know It earnings that you have generated. When it comes to your actual post, you'll see 3 icons on each post. The heart icon tells you the number of LikeToKnowIt users who have liked or screenshotted the photo. The email icon means the number of LikeToKnowIt users who have received product details to their inbox. These emails are sent when someone likes or screenshots the post. And lastly, the shopping bag icon means the number of orders generated from this LikeToKnowIt photo. To start posting looks onto LikeToKnowIt for your followers to easily shop, you will want to follow the following steps to set up your account correctly from the get-go. Log into the LikeToKnowIt Creator app using the proper credentials. Select Create Profile and enter the appropriate information in each field. Be sure to upload a profile image and cover photo for personalization. The username field will be used to generate your creator profile link. Now we suggest not using spaces in this area. The About You field allows you to write a personalized bio to share with your followers. Once your information is entered, select Save in the upper right-hand corner. Now that your LikeToKnowIt shop is created, you're ready to post your first look. Before I show you how to post your photos and videos, I personally like to work backwards in a way that it's easy to keep organized and find the items that you often link in a place that's easily accessible. So this means finding the products first and organizing them into folders before posting any photo or video that you want to promote. Folders allow you to save, sort, and organize product links by category, brand, season, etc. To create a folder on the LikeToKnowIt Creator app, follow the following steps. Start by navigating to the Folder tab, click the plus sign in the upper right-hand corner, enter folder name, and save. You can also create a folder when saving items using the Product Link tool. After triggering a product link on a product, click Add to Folder. Select the icon next to the search bar and enter folder name and save. Now the folder will appear in your My Folder list to add the product. So now that you're all organized by having your links to your products sorted and handy, this is where you can start posting your photos and videos. Here are some things to keep in mind though before publishing your post. You can use saved videos already created from TikTok, Instagram, or other social media platforms. Music added to your video must be original audio, or LikeToKnowIt will automatically remove sound. Make sure the products that you plan to tag to your LikeToKnowIt video post are saved to one of your favorites folders or the folders that we created above. To post a photo or video, you simply open the LikeToKnowIt Creator app, click the black plus sign icon in the bottom right-hand corner, click Add Media, and tap to select your video content from your phone's camera roll. From here, click Next, edit the video clip if you would like to trim and shorten the length of the video, and then you also want to confirm that you have all the necessary rights to post the video content. Click Next, then use the slider to select a cover image for your LikeToKnowIt video post. Click Next again and click Add Caption and describe your video content using succinct keywords and hashtags. You can provide things like sizing information and suggestions for styling or using your product. Then select up to 3 LikeToKnowIt hashtags to categorize your post content. Click Add Products and tap the products you'd like to tag to your LikeToKnowIt post from your favorites folder. And these can be the exact products or recommended. Then click Done. These steps are exactly the same for posting a photo, minus needing to possibly edit or trim like you would in a video. And you won't need to confirm that you have all the necessary rights to post video content, because obviously it's a photo. Something else you may want to consider is creating gift guides. This is a feature LikeToKnowIt came out with not too long ago, and here's how to go about posting using the gift guide feature. You'll need to update your LikeToKnowIt Creator app, iOS only, to version 3.3 or higher. Open the app and select the black plus sign to start a new post. Select Add Media to upload your content, whether it's an image or video like we mentioned. Then you want to add a caption and select the hashtag LTK gift guide. And this will automatically be added to your caption, so your content is featured in the gift guide discovery bubble and at the top of your shop on the LikeToKnowIt app for followers to easily locate. Then from there, add products to complete your post, select Publish or Schedule, and you're set. Collections are great when you have products within a similar topic or niche like skincare or wellness. This also lets your audience navigate your shop a little bit better by topic rather than just a bunch of random photos on your page. In order to create a collection, you'll want to follow the following steps. Ensure you're using the latest version of the LikeToKnowIt Creator iOS app and the latest version of the LikeToKnowIt iOS app to view your collections on your shop profile. Tap the My Collections section above your published posts. Tap the plus sign to create a collection, give it a title and quick description, and your most recently added LikeToKnowIt post will auto-populate the collection. Then from there, you'll want to select which LikeToKnowIt post you'd like to include in that collection and hit publish. Note that you can batch add up to 25 Like to Know It posts at a time. From there, you can share a direct link to your collection by copying the link at the bottom of the collection screen. The option to auto schedule a post in the Like to Know It Creator app allows you to stay organized by creating and preparing a Like to Know It image or video and then scheduling the time that you wish for the post to publish to your Like to Know It profile. In order to schedule your Like to Know It posts and videos, you'll want to follow these steps. Open the Like to Know It Creator app. From the homepage, click the plus icon, add the photo or video that you'd like to schedule, add the caption and products, then select schedule. You will then be prompted to choose the time and date that you would like the photo or video to be posted onto Like to Know It. Understanding your earnings is important to see what your audience is loving and what is performing the best on your shop. For a breakdown of earnings, we encourage you to visit the analytics and earnings section on the Like to Know It website. But just to touch on this area, the homepage on your app will show you the following. The dashboard defaults to the last 7 days with the ability to toggle between other timeframes. It will show you today, meaning all sales reported from the current day. Now keep in mind, most retailers take a minimum of 24 hours to report sales to Like to Know It. It'll show you 7 days, meaning all sales reported for the last 7 days. Now this does not include returns posted during this time frame. This metric will match the last 7 days when viewing insights on a web browser as well. It'll also show you month, meaning all sales and returns reported from the current month. This metric will match the monthly total when viewing insights on a web browser as well. And then it'll show you total, meaning lifetime earnings on Like to Know It. This number can fluctuate when returns are processed. Now lastly, you can't possibly have a Like to Know It page without sharing it to your audience. Open the Like to Know It Creator app, select the homepage, click the profile photo in the top left-hand corner, click the 3 dots to the right of the My Like to Know It shop banner at the top of the page. Select share from the prompt, then select copy from the iOS navigation to copy the URL paste to the URL in the desired social channel. So there you have it, a full tutorial on how to create your Like to Know It page from start to finish. Now I really don't think there is a video this in depth on the internet about this particular topic, so if you did find this video useful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and share it with a creator, brand, or entrepreneur with whom you think this would really help. And if you'd like to see a real-time example of a Like to Know It shop, I'll leave the link to mine in the description and comment section below, where I do get a small commission with every purchase. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.